The LEVOIT Top Fill Humidifier is designed for bedrooms, nurseries, and large rooms, offering a quiet and efficient way to maintain comfortable humidity levels. From the Visit the LEVOIT store, this model features a 2.5-liter tank and operates quietly at 26 decibels, ensuring minimal disturbance during sleep. It also includes an auto shut-off function and is free for safety. This humidifier runs up to 25 hours on low, providing consistent moisture to relieve dryness and congestion. Its easy top fill design allows quick refilling without spills, while a wide opening simplifies cleaning. The mist output can be customized with a single knob, and the 360-degree nozzle adjusts the mist direction freely. The detachable base design helps maintain hygiene by eliminating hard-to-reach spots, ideal for anyone seeking a quiet, easy-to-use humidifier that supports respiratory comfort and plant care. This model enhances air quality throughout the night. It combines convenience, safety, and performance in one reliable device.